Each of the 2019 Toyota Avalons are liberally furnished from the manufacturing plant with great highlights. Its sportier goals don't totally persuade us. Esteem disapproved of customers definitely realize that vehicles like the Toyota Avalon are preferred arrangements over hybrids. For $36,395, the 2019 Toyota Avalon XLE is furnished with 17-inch wheels, moonroof, manufactured calfskin upholstery, a 7.0-inch driver data show, 5 USB ports, control highlights, dynamic security frameworks secured above, and a 9.0-inch touchscreen for infotainment with Apple CarPlay similarity and Bluetooth availability. That is great essential hardware and great incentive for this since quite a while. Eagle-legged vehicle, not at all like extravagance brands Toyota doesn't make. Accessible numerous spend-up alternatives outside of the Avalon's trim levels. Extravagance disapproved of XLE and limited or game-sided XSE in touring. We rate the Avalon A8 for highlights. Completely stacked Avalon touring models cost $43,095 and offer premium sound from JBL, Root, manufactured cowhide upholstery with calfskin embeds, a warmed directing wheel, warmed and cooled front seats, warmed back seats, a head-up show, 19-inch wheels, and versatile dampers. It's an extravagance auto without the identification or the swell cost. However, we hold back before making it our best. Single out the parcel. Avalon touring models aren't accessible with mixture powertrains, which cost $1,000. Above gas-controlled XLE, XSE, and limited variants. That is a little spend for much better efficiency. Visiting models additionally are outfitted with a game-tuned fumes and motor admission sound arranger that doesn't make the Avalon speedier, simply unnecessarily louder. Our sweet spot is the limited trim level that begins at $42,695, $43,695 for the Hybrid Limited, and highlights genuine wood inside, 18-inch wheels, JBL Premium sound, warmed and cooled front seats, warmed back seats, cowhide upholstery, and less forceful bodywork that fits with the Avalon's central goal. We wouldn't resent customers from settling on base trims either.